Santo Tomas College of Agriculture, Science and Technology, STICAS. Values: efficiency, excellence, perseverance, humaneness, integrity. Mission 1. Infuse the wholesome values, core values, to the teaching and non-teaching staff of STICAS. Number 2 of mission. Equip graduates with acknowledged skills and attitude towards global competitiveness. Vision: the Santo Tomas College of Agriculture, Science and Technology as a premier local institution in Southwest Asia. Goals: provide a quality industry needed in tailor-fit educational program. Number 2, espousing in educational and cultural excellence. 3, instituting sufficient human and financial resource and compliant facilities. Number 4, institutionalizing research culture across disciplines. Number 5, establish collaboration among stakeholders and members where respect, values, support are paramount. 6, implement programs for community improvement and development. Thank you.